Alright guys, this is Cheese. Look at my bike. I installed the 3M clear protection film on my Canyon Exceed CF7 mountain bike. Look at it. Can you tell if clear bra is installed on my bike, on my frame? Take a close look. More than 90% of the frame has been applied with that protection film. It was very hard work. You can see the line here. That's where the protection film ends. I wasn't able to fully cover the tube because I ran out of film. But at least I got more than 90% of the bike covered. Look at the job. Look how good the install job is. This is all seared. There's no opening. There's no paint exposed undercarriage of the bike. So when I go over dirt, rocks, whatever, debris, when it hits it, it would be protected. Look at that. That's clear protection film. Here, the chainstay here and underneath. It looks like it's got a thick layer of clear coat on it. Unpolished. This whole thing. And you can see the line here too. Hang on. That's here. That's where the protection film ends. It wrapped around like this, so that the back is protected from the dirt kicking off from the tire. Here, see that? Protection film went up all the way to here, stops here. This down here is protected right there. Top side. There are some bubbles trapped on the top tube. I did little sloppy job on this one because I was too tired and it was getting dark last night, so I couldn't see. I couldn't see what I'm doing. It took me all day yesterday and part day today, this morning. But the rest of the frame did much better job. There are almost no bubbles trapped inside, under the film. Look. Protection film. Look at it. And here's the undercarriage. Under the bottom bracket is sealed. It's virtually completely sealed all around. It looks a little ugly, but who cares? It's underneath the bike. Nobody will pay attention to the bottom of the bottom bracket. As long as it protects nice and sealed, that's what I care for. Down here too. You see the hole? I left that hole open, not covered. I'm sure there's a purpose for that, so I didn't want to close it. Plus, my friend told me, Jesus told me not to plug up that hole. He said leave it open. So I said, okay. Jesus actually helped me. He has been a huge help Look at it. This whole bottom here. I don't know if you can see it. It's dark now. The whole thing is covered. And over there, this whole thing is sealed, protected. Look, and here too. Halfway up, not all, it's not wrapped all around. I didn't have enough film. But over here, actually the film ends right here, but it's hard to see. It is that good. It came out good. You can't even tell if film is on there. Definitely not from far distance. You won't be able to tell at all. Only possible upon close inspection. This is applied to the outer side, not the inside, because I didn't have enough film. So when I ever need to wrap the chain lock around it, it will be protected out here. You know, like when I go outside, if I ever need to use chain lock, most of the time I'm going to be riding my bike. I'm going to be with the bike at all times. I'm not going to leave it unattended. Yep, that's it, guys. Jesus has been a big help. He actually helped me to position. He helped me to position the film, the pieces, especially the critical areas, like the main tube where it's most easily be seen. He helped me to line it up perfectly at first try, because it's very hard to line up. And it's not easy to move the clear bra around while applying it, because it causes wrinkles, it leaves fingerprint marks, bubbles, all kinds of problems. It's a very difficult job. I have done this before. I have applied this on my car before, a long way back. But I know how hard this is and how easy to mess up, and that you would likely need a additional backup clear bra. But no, because I don't have any extra, Jesus helped me. He told me, he said he helped me to apply it. So it came out virtually perfect. Yep. Just wanted to share that. And I don't know, I haven't messed with the fork setting. I never had fork with these pressure settings, whatever you call it, the adjustment. So I don't know how it works. I don't know what setting I'm supposed to use and how much air I'm supposed to pump into. I didn't even know about that. This is where you pump in your air. I want stiff ride, not cushy ride. So I don't know, do I put more air? Does high air pressure will give me a stiff ride? Tell me, guys, those who are experienced with the mountain bikes. Yep, and I'm gonna go ride it today. I'm gonna upload the video and go from there. All right, guys.